put your hands up if you think laying a frontal is rocket science, then this video is for you. First, I'm going in with my Got To Be gel and making sure I'm slicking my edges and blow drying my hair on warm heat to make sure it stays down. Then I'm going to fit my wig and placing it exactly where I want it to be. Then I'm going to shade that with my lace smooth stain to make sure it's my exact shade. Afterwards, I'm going to place my glue like so and blend that in with my rat tail comb. Make sure it spreads out evenly. When it dries clear, then I'm going to place the lace exactly where I put the glue. Now you gotta take your time to do this, because if you do not, it's going to show that you rushed to do this. But anyway, I'm going to take out the excess lace that I do not need using this customizing scissors in a zigzag motion to take out that excess lace. Then I'm going to place my lace melting band to make sure the lace stays exactly where I want it to stay. Then I'm going to go in with my lace melting spray, and then when it dries clear, I'm going to put my lace melting band on it and blow dry on cool air to make sure that snatches my hair. Now when you take that out, please girls, blend that in, because I be seeing people walking around with that line. But hey, I'm not here to judge. Let's get back to business before I forget. This is the final look after styling. I hope you like this. If this video was helpful, girl, be sure to keep them videos rolling in when you slay your frontals, okay? And let me know what you want to see next, because I got you. Bye.